Hey there, financial friends. Welcome to our quick guide on how to pay your credit card bill with Wells Fargo in 2025. If you're juggling bills and want a hassle-free way to handle your Wells Fargo credit card payments, you're in the right place. This process has been streamlined with the latest updates, making it faster and more secure than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Wells Fargo mobile app or website ready. If you don't have an account, download the app from your app store or head to wellsfargo.com. Once you're set, log in with your username and password. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication. It's a game changer in 2025 for protecting your info. Step 1. After logging in, navigate to the Accounts tab. Here, you'll see a list of your accounts, including your credit card. Tap or click on your credit card to view details. You'll spot the Pay Bill or Make a Payment option. Go ahead and select that. Next, choose your payment method. Wells Fargo offers options like transferring from your checking account, using a debit card, or even setting up automatic payments. Select the one that works best for you, then enter the amount you want to pay. Double-check for any minimum payment requirements to avoid fees. Now, review your payment details. This includes the due date, amount, and confirmation of the source account. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a verification code if two-factor auth is on. Enter it to proceed. Once approved, you'll receive an email or an app notification that your payment is processed. A few pro tips. Always pay before the due date to keep your credit score in tip-top shape. If you're using the app, the biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID makes it even quicker. And remember, Wells Fargo might have promotions for early payments in 2025, so keep an eye out. There you have it. That's how you effortlessly pay your credit card bill with Wells Fargo. It's simple, secure, and saves you time. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.